As some of you may know, I have 3 YouTube channels. One of them is a Dashcam channel. I'll put a link to that down below. I watch a lot of dashcam footage, repo footage, a lot of different stuff, road rages and whatever. So one of my suggestions was these tow truck things from this business, behind this business. I'll put a link to that down below. I found that kind of not just interesting, but funny as well. So I started becoming a fan of this guy's channel and found out where this place was and decided, since I'm traveling, I'm passing right past it. Let me go by there and make a little video. It'd be nice. Be nice to talk to the guy or whatever. He happened not to be there, which is fine. That's what this little video is going to be.
Look where I'm at. So I'm over here. Guess where this is? This is the tow truck place.
I said I'm at the tow truck place. I should have said I'm at VIRTBIZ.
Look at that. There was a comment made on the one with the girls taking their photos back here, the young girls. And there was a question asked that said, somebody needs to come back here and give a little tour, like show this place. So here you go. This is what it looks like. There is plenty of signs here, plenty of cameras. And I was supposed to meet with the guy that makes these videos here. He's not here today. Here's what it looks like. There's plenty of signs. You can't miss them. I did have some questions for him, and since he's not here, I'm going to ask him anyway, just for the heck of it. I was going to ask, what does the channel name mean, GT Ogre? And I know it has a picture of a GTO on the cover page, so not sure what that means. GTO, not sure what the rest of it is. One of the questions would be, has this place ever been totally pressure washed? Is it pressure washed on a regular basis? I was thinking maybe some of the viewers, there's plenty of viewers and subscribers, pitch in every once in a while, or maybe have some type of fund set up where this can be pressure washed like every quarter, every 3 to 4 months or something like that. That would be pretty interesting, just to keep these people's business clean, because I think it kind of sucks that people come over here just to go pee, which I think is pretty retarded. I also think most of these people are drunk. Which leads me to another question. Most of you guys comment about how by having their cars towed away from here, that he's probably saving lives, whether it be theirs or somebody else's. I totally agree with that. I was wondering what his thoughts were on that. I mean, you can't really deny that. You see a lot of the people stumbling over here, and then they got to go get their car the next day or whatever it may be. I was just wondering, does the tow truck company, do they like the money, or do they think it's a real pain in the butt? Like, is there that many cars that they tow where they might think, oh no, not again, or are they like, hey, sweet, more money? I don't know. There was a question asked on the video, the Glamorous model. They came back here and she was sitting in this loading dock right here, and they were taking photos. And it's a real popular thing to do, to come to an urban area and take photos of models, not just models, but also of cars. And here's some of those on the screen. One of the more recent videos that was just put up had what looked like a motorized big wheel, and they came over here and they crashed over here into this pole. That looked like a drift trike. Not sure if you guys know what a drift trike is. I'm guessing that's what it was. So here's some of what those are on screen and people riding those. And you're supposed to slide around and have fun with those. You're not supposed to do what that guy did. I don't know if they have the wrong wheels on the back or what they were doing. For whatever reason, you'll see a lot of people park on this side of the street in those videos, and they don't get towed. So let's go read their sign. You're not supposed to park over here either. But I don't know if they just don't enforce it as much over here or something. Going along with the Glamorous Blonde video, across the street in a lot of the videos, you can see in the background this American flag painted over here. And a lot of the photographers come over here and take pictures of models. And you'll even see there's some where people are sitting way up in there in the little squares. And here's a couple pictures of that. But that's how I found this place. Some people have actually commented what this business is. And I know now they're starting to put the name of the business on there. But being stalkerish, I actually saw this in this flag in the background, and I found it online. Where is it? And then I went to Google Street View, and I turned myself around, and I drove down the street with Street View, and I found the parking lot. And then I just went back around the street and found the name of the business and called them up and said, hey, I'd like to come over here and talk to you guys. It was cool being able to come here. Should I pee? I mean, it's raining. I do gotta kind of pee. Should I pee? No.